Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the second part of our Excel series. So if you're new to this channel, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like and share my video.
The first shortcut we'll be looking at in this series is the Control H for find and replace. So if you want to open up find and replace a dialog box, you can use Control H. All you have to do is click Control H and then you find any text or value in your worksheet and replace it with something else. The next shortcut is Control N. Control N allows you to open an entirely new workbook. With your keyboard, just click Control plus N and then you open a new data sheet. Then we are looking at Control O to open an existing workbook. If you want to look for an existing workbook you have already created, simply click Control O and you have it open. Control S is very common. You have done a lot of work and you need to save it. Simply click Control S. Instead of moving your mouse, toggling it around to search for the save button on your system, simply click Control S. And Control W helps you to close your workbook. If you have an open workbook and you don't want to go through the stress of using your mouse to search for where the close button is, simply click Control W. Control K is for hyperlink. Hyperlink helps you to link cells to external documents, websites, or other files. For instance, if you have a data on your system, on your Excel worksheet, and you want to link it to an external source, simply click Control K after highlighting the document or the text, then it gives you your hyperlink. Control I helps you create text in italics. If you want to italicize your text, highlight the text and then click Control I. Then we have Control U, which is to underline. It's still the same step. Highlight your text and then click Control U. Then we have Control F4, helps you to completely shut down the Excel application. If you want to completely close your Excel application, simply click Control F4. Another shortcut we're looking at today, which is the last one, is Control F9. Control F9 helps you to minimize your workbook window. The minimize button is the first button by the top right corner. So instead of going there with your mouse, all you have to do is click Control F9 and you minimize your Excel workbook.